Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. If you think you've seen it all in the world of luxury travel, wait until you lay eyes on the 2026 Limousine Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels, a luxury suite combined, with a high-end limousine and a fully equipped motorhome. Today, we're diving into a machine that pushes the boundaries of both design and comfort, setting a whole new standard in mobile luxury living. At first glance, the exterior is nothing short of stunning. With a stretched and sculpted body, sleek aerodynamic lines, and a chrome-accented finish that reflects pure elegance, the 2026 Limousine Motorhome grabs attention wherever it goes. It features a fully custom-built chassis with an elongated design that rivals the look of high-end stretch limos, but it's taller, bolder, and more commanding. LED light strips run across its length, giving it a futuristic glow at night. And with 26-inch alloy wheels, air suspension, and motorized side steps, even entry and exit feel like a first-class experience. But step inside, and things go from impressive to absolutely mind-blowing. The cabin opens up to a spacious, beautifully lit interior that rivals luxury apartments in Manhattan. Italian leather recliners, ambient LED lighting with color controls, and suede-lined walls create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The ceiling features a starlight effect, and the flooring is either hardwood or marble finish, depending on your configuration. Yes, marble. In a motorhome, the living area is fitted with 2 large OLED smart TVs, a surround sound system by Bang & Olufsen, and a retractable privacy divider with built-in touchscreen control. Want to watch Netflix on one screen, while someone else plays games on the other? No problem. The sound is isolated for each zone, and there's even noise-canceling tech built right into the cabin. When it comes to comfort, this motorhome doesn't just aim for high-end, it delivers it at every turn. The master bedroom at the rear includes a king-size memory foam bed, smart mood lighting, and a panoramic roof above that brings in natural light by day and starlight by night. Hidden compartments and walk-in closet space ensure you can pack more than a weekend's worth of outfits without losing any space. The bathroom is another level of luxury. We're talking about a full-size shower with rainfall and body jets, a ceramic toilet with bidet functions, and a vanity mirror that doubles as a smart display. Temperature control, aromatherapy, and heated flooring make it feel more like a spa than a camper. The kitchen? Think gourmet. It features a full induction, cooktop, convection oven, built-in espresso machine, smart refrigerator, and even a wine chiller. Whether you're heating up a meal or preparing a full-course dinner, the setup is designed for chefs who don't want to compromise on the road. In terms of performance, the 2026 Limousine Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine combined with an auxiliary electric motor for smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency. Despite its size, this beast handles better than you'd expect, thanks to adaptive suspension and a smart traction control system that adjusts based on terrain and weather. It's surprisingly quiet, too, even at high speeds, thanks to double-insulated glass and soundproofing throughout the body. Driver assist technologies are top-tier. It includes 360-degree cameras, lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automated parking, and even remote summon capabilities from your phone. The cockpit features a massive curved digital display that merges GPS, diagnostics, and entertainment in one seamless interface. As far as connectivity, the 2026 Limousine Motorhome is loaded with 5G, Starlink satellite internet, Bluetooth 6.0, and voice-controlled everything, from curtains to climate to entertainment. You're always connected, no matter how off-grid you go. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. Depending on the customization, you're looking at upwards of $500,000, with some premium versions pushing close to $1 million. But for those who demand the ultimate road trip experience, where every mile feels like a luxury retreat, it's worth every penny. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It's a blend of class, performance, and high-tech innovation built for those who refuse to compromise. Whether you're planning to cross continents or just turn heads on the freeway, the 2026 Limousine Motorhome is in a class of its own. So, what do you think? Would you ride across the country in this palace on wheels? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing reviews just like this one.